Hello friends, welcome back again to Biology Bootstrap, and in this video we're going to starting about the second part from cardiovascular system. And here in this session I'm going to explain about different blood vessels and their connecting parts to the heart and their functions. So now let's start. The first blood vessels is superior vena cava, and this superior vena cava connected with the right atrium of the human heart, and these blood vessels helps to transport of deoxygenated blood from our upper body parts to the right atrium. The second blood vessel is inferior vena cava. This is also connected with the right atrium of the heart, and this inferior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from our lower body parts to the right atrium. The third blood vessel is pulmonary artery. It connected with the right ventricle, and this pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricles to the two lungs. The next blood vessel is pulmonary vein. This pulmonary vein connected with the left atrium of the heart, and this pulmonary vein brings the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Next, the aorta. This is connected with the left ventricle of the heart, and this aorta helps to transport of oxygenated blood from left ventricles to the whole body of human beings. Now it is the anatomical view of human hearts, and here you can see those blood vessels which are connected with the different parts of heart. Now let's talk about different types of heart valves and their locations and their functions. So now let's begin. First one is the bicuspid valve or mitral valve. It is located between the left ventricle and left atrium, and this valve has two flaps. The functions of bicuspid valves to allow the blood to move from left atrium to left ventricle, and it prevents the backward flow of blood from left ventricles to left atrium. Second one is tricuspid valve, and it located between right atrium and right ventricles, and it has three flaps. It also prevents the backward flow of blood from right ventricles to right atrium, and it allows the blood to move from right atrium to right ventricles. The third valve is aortic semilunar valve. It located between aorta and left ventricles. It prevents backward flow of blood from aorta to left ventricles. The fourth valve is pulmonary semilunar valve. It located between pulmonary artery and right ventricles. The functions of this valve is it allows the unidirectional flow of deoxygenated blood from right ventricles to pulmonary artery and prevents the backward flow. The next one is the Thebesian valve. It is located in between the right atrium and coronary sinus. It prevents the blood flow from the right atrium to coronary sinus, or it guards the opening of coronary sinus. Now the next is Eustachian valve. It is also located in between the right atrium and inferior vena cava, and this guards the opening of inferior vena cava and prevents the backward flow of blood from right atrium to the inferior vena cava. In this diagram, you can see those valves and their locations as well as their shape. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.